We have a box and a new vlog. Don't we, Vicky? Yes, we do. We do. This week, we are headed to a music conference called Big Sound. I've needed a new suitcase for so long, like the wheels are completely gone. This is not sponsored, but I've been looking at these suitcases for ages, like for months. July, want to sponsor me? Hit me up, I'm totally keen. I'm pretty sure this might be the carry-on that has a chargeable battery in it. Oh my God. The color I got was a deep forest green. We love. And look, you can personalize it, but it says East West, which is my company. Oh, that is smooth. Oh, a chargeable battery.
And inside, so we've got like a clothing side.
Smooch. A little side pocket here. Oh, I think this might be a laundry bag. Oh my God, I'm so excited to pack for other bits and pieces. Smooch. I think Vicky has cracked it. She hates suitcases. So the Big Sound Music Conference, it is more for like musicians and agents and promoters. It's basically a showcasing acts and everything. Vicky, why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? Hey? Why are you so sad? Mwah. Mwah. We love. Wanna come here? We'll talk to the people. Sitting, sit. Sit, good girl. Oh, she's so I'm heading off tomorrow. Vicky is going to get dog sat, aren't you, Smoochy? By her boyfriend. And then I'm heading off probably at around lunchtime. It's gonna be pretty exciting. I'm actually really looking forward to seeing some new acts and artists. Obviously, I'm gonna take you guys along. I will try and vlog some of this trip. Might get a bit embarrassed to do it in front of everyone. We might just kind of do a little bit of like sneaky videoing. Hey, Vicky. Yes. Welcome, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the vlog. I've got to pack. I've got to make some dinner. I've got to pack up all of Vicky's things ready for her little holiday with her bestie. I'll chat to you soon. What are you doing? Come on. Come on, there we go. Come here. First workout is done. I've been intensely working out for a little while now, and it's only just that I'm starting to see results. Do a little treadmill workout now, and then exercise is done for the day. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the rug. I feel like it's too much. I'm gonna leave it here until I get back from a music conference and see how I feel when I walk in on Friday. So we are getting one of the new couches on Friday, so I'm pretty excited. Time for an upgrade to the lounge room. I have a package and I've got no idea what it is. I thought I'd open it up with you guys. Oh, I know what it is. Paper. I'm pretty sure it's paper for my books. A lot of paper. And I got a treat. room. I'll give you a little room tour. Gorgeous carpet. Here's the bathroom. Bed. Shower, whatever. TV, bed. The plush room. It's been raining for the Grogans. Feel pretty bad for them. Grogans are the best band. They're such a good band. But it's so unfortunate they were playing on an outdoor stage. I need some food because I don't want to be too hungover tomorrow. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I'm getting some shitty some shitty takeaway. And tomorrow I plan on working out, sweating it off. Day 2 of Big Sounds. Last night was a lot of fun, and I apologise, I really didn't vlog much at all yesterday. I kind of got up here pretty late. I was feeling a little bit anxious yesterday, I don't know what it is. But my mission this year is to not really go see the conferences or anything like that unless I'm really excited or, you know, I want to go and support some friends. I'm really up here to see music and just catch up with people that I know in the industry. So today I thought I would take it easy. I am feeling a little bit dusty this morning. Last night, every venue we went to, we had a drink. So this tonight, I'm not doing that at all. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna try not to drink. Right now, I'm back in the hotel room, obviously. I am hoping to just get a little bit of work done. And then I'm also going to try and catch up with another friend of mine for some lunch and just, I don't know, just socialise and get out there, which is something I don't really do. I'm very much a homebody. I work from home and I generally only go out when I'm working events. Just gonna put a little bit of makeup on and then I'm gonna head out. We're on our way into the valley. Got to go pick up my accreditation. It was closed last night, so I'm gonna pick that up and then I'm gonna go catch up with some peoples.
And first name?
Shiloh. 10 to 3. Had some lunch, caught up with some people, made a whole bunch of phone calls. At the moment, I'm at a bit of a crossroad. I've been offered a role at an event that was a pretty significant role in the beginning, but now it's kind of been pared back a little bit. I've been offered another role, a stadium show in Sydney. Like, it's either, okay, well, do I just work this one day festival or do I do this massive sold out event over 3 days and I'll be in Sydney doing a stadium show for 2 weeks? I haven't been this nervous and anxious for a while, but I think I'm gonna do the Sydney show. I think that makes me really nervous because it's, you know, I'm confident that I can do it and it's fine, but it's, you know, a new venue, it's in Sydney. Yeah. I just gotta go with the better experience. And I think with this other client, there's a good relationship building there and they want to put me on several runs on their stadium shows. So very exciting. Me knowing that this is going to be a challenge and a learning experience for me rather than go, oh no, and be afraid and scared and not do it. It makes me want to do it even more. Okay, I'm going to do it. Wish me luck. And we're back home. I am completely shattered. So many meetings, this afternoon. I just don't think I can stay awake a moment longer to see bands. I'm home, I'm gonna sleep, and I think tomorrow's gonna be a big night, but right now I can't think of anything better than showering and getting into bed.
Spaces, and you've had to figure out how to be a band on these 30, 40 date tours.